Let's watch the video.
Yes, great. What's the video about?
It's about family routines in the USA. Jake is from New York in the USA.
Okay, let's watch.
Hi, I'm Jake. I live in New York City with my mom and dad. This is my mom. She's a police officer. She has dinner at home in the evening. Then she goes to work. She goes to bed at 6 o'clock in the morning. My dad is a taxi driver. This is his taxi. It's yellow. There are lots of yellow taxis in New York City. My dad gets up at 5:30 in the morning. He has breakfast with my mom, and then he goes to work. In the afternoon, he helps me with my homework. This is my grandpa. He's a farmer. He's got lots of cows. He doesn't live in the city. He lives on a big farm. He gets up at 6:15 in the morning. He gets dressed and he goes to work. He wears jeans and a shirt to work. He wears a hat too. My family's routines are very different. What about yours?
When does Jake's dad get up?
He gets up at 5:30.
When does your mum get up?
She gets up at 6:45.